Hey everyone, so my RocksBox just got here and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. So here is the box with the beautiful bow and the rose-colored lettering. The first item I pull out is the care card. This is the little booklet that tells you more about the price of each piece of jewelry. So this month they didn't include the little peach tissue paper. Maybe they're not doing it anymore. So here are the 3 little bags that each piece of jewelry comes in. Here is the first little bag. So this one came with a little booklet that tells you more about the brand. Packaging is the same. I like that they take care of the jewelry. So this makes the bracelet a little heavier. And here it is, very pretty. I'm loving the pink. Here is the second little baggie. Even the necklace is packaged really nicely. So here is the necklace. I am loving the detail on it. I really do like the little stars. So here is a close-up of the stars. Online I thought they were black, but they're not. Very pretty. So here is the final little bag. So here are these beautiful earrings. I am loving the color with the gold. It looks very pretty. So down below is a link so that you can get a free month of RocksBox. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.